Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Josh Spitfire acquisition under the ticker symbol SPFR that has a definitive merger agreement with Velo3D. So I'm gonna be super transparent with you guys. I'm hyper bullish on Velo3D, not just because it is backed by Elon Musk or Cathie Wood, but rather because the technology underlying behind this company that we are looking at presents the potential to be your next 10x investment opportunity. As usual in today's video, I'm going to break down this video into 3 simple segments. What is this company all about, or rather why Elon and Cathie is backing this stock, what's the bull and bear thesis on this, and if I'm buying in this stock or not. Like the name of the company suggests, Velo3D is a 3D metal printing solution company that allows manufacturers to address the most difficult manufacturing challenges for aerospace, energy, and specialty industrial applications that no vendor can offer. In other words, the company is tackling the unmet challenges of lead times, cost effectiveness, and above all, complex part to make 3D metal printing an essential tool for engineers and manufacturers around the world. Take SpaceX for example. When it comes to designing the Raptor engines, what happens in the old 3D printing process is that the inside of a printer had to be added with complex support in order to produce the desired outcome. Now the problem with that is that it really limits the product's design because they lose a lot of room to work within the support space, and as a result engineers need to waste a lot of time to iterate between the additive manufacturing design trade-offs and post-processing. And this is where Velo's 3D proprietary support-free 3D printing technology comes in. With the Velo3D support-free printing technology, people no longer have to worry about the complex internal geometry. The once deemed impossible job in 3D printing are now made possible. Engineers can now have the design freedom for creating highly complex geometry to take additive manufacturing mainstream, pretty much allowing companies to make any product they desire. In simple terms, Velo3D technology is what enables SpaceX engineers to take their Raptor engines to the next level. Now that we have learned why Elon Musk and Cathie Wood like Velo3D, let's jump right straight into the bull and bear thesis. 3 reasons to be bearish on this. SPAC stocks are being crushed. Okay, in all honesty, this has completely nothing to do with the company financial or the underlying technology itself. But the undeniable fact is that SPAC stock didn't just slow down, but it is being absolutely crushed at the moment. People are losing interest in SPACs. I mean, at the moment right now, there's over 300 SPACs in the market that are still looking for target. The problem is, these desperate blank check companies are bringing lower and lower quality companies to the public. The nature of SPACs are far too speculative with little to no revenue and financial aspect to back it up. 2. Velo3D is far too reliant on one customer. Did you know that approximately up to 70% of its revenue was derived from the sales through SpaceX for the fiscal year of 2019 and 2020 respectively? Moving forward in 2021, Velo3D still anticipates that a significant portion will still continue to derive from the sales through SpaceX. Essentially what this means is that it can either make or break for Velo3D, right? Like the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. 3. Velo3D will likely dilute its shareholder in the foreseeable future. Since Velo3D is still an early stage company, it is expected that they will need additional capital. This is indeed a risk that investors must be aware of as a shareholder, and they need to take a closer look at how dilution happens and how it can affect their value of their shares. Now 3 reasons why I'm hyper bullish. Velo3D technology is 5 years ahead of any competition. Yes, this comment is not coming from me, but the people from SpaceX themselves. In fact, it was so good that at one point in time, Elon Musk was trying to buy Velo3D, but they didn't want to sell. Guys, think about it, right? For people to say that your technology is 5 years ahead of people, and on top of that, it comes from SpaceX, proves just one thing, that is, they have distinguished their companies from their competitors. Being the first to offer manufacturers to make literally any products in the 3D metal printing is extremely valuable and certainly sets Velo3D apart from other additive manufacturing companies in the world. 2. 3D metal printing is the future. Now, the 4th industrial revolution is shaping up to be one of the most significant opportunities of our lifetime. We are already seeing jobs, policies, industrial and entire economy shifting as our digital and physical worlds merge. According to the World Economic Forum, the value of digital transformation in the 4th industrial revolution is estimated at $100 trillion in the next 10 years alone across all sectors, industries. From the way I see it, Velo3D technology is as good as it gets when it comes to the transformation in the 4th industrial revolution, and it appears that Velo3D will play a huge role in it. 3. Strong revenue visibility ahead in 2021 and 2022. They expect revenue to grow by 41% in 2021, then 237% to $89 million by 2022. They already have revenues coming from recurring orders booked and pre-orders from existing customers, and the crazy thing is this revenue visibility is based on their existing product, meaning that this number did not rely on technologies beyond what Velo3D has right now. Overall, I think SPAC stocks are still on the losing side at the moment, and I expect this trend to continue for a while more. But in all honesty, in my personal opinion, I think investing opportunities like Velo3D comes one in a lifetime. For Velo3D, I see more and more companies adopting their additive manufacturing technology platform, and for that reason, I've decided to slowly build my position in this stock. Perhaps maybe because I also have a soft spot for companies with breakthrough technologies, so yeah, that's another deciding factor for me to buy in. Well, that's all I have for this video. If you're interested in the financial details regarding this SPAC, please check it out in the description box below. As always, please hit the thumbs up button so that this video can reach a brand new audience. It really means a lot to me. Also remember to subscribe for new future video if you want to learn and watch more on my elaborated stock research. Till next time.